So, while I'm finishing off my yummy chill factor, I thought that we could do some of these super cool glow pops. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up and see what they look like inside. Ooh. So it says that they do need batteries, but I think they do have batteries in here. So the instructions are these little things to help them stand up. I think they clip on like that, and then they just slide inside. So these are meant to be ice blocks. When you press the button, they light up. Yeah, so that's cool. Put those here so that you can look at them. I'm not sure how this clips together. I'm meant to make it closer. Or does it just sit? Yeah. So what you do is you put it in the freezer, clip it together. You can put some water or juice or something in there, like Coke or something. Kind of like this. You put it in the freezer. And then you put this inside. Freeze it, take it out, and then you have an ice block. So that sounds pretty cool. So I'm going to try that out. Okay guys, so I'm going to put the juice in. I'm going to put it in the freezer and then I'll show you the results. So, see you then. So I put the Coke in and I might do a little mix and match for this. So I'm going to put the yellow in with the pink. So I put some Coke in. We made some room. So I'm only doing one. And then I think it's just meant to slide through the holes. Yeah. So, no. I think I should close it because it's making that sound. So we're gonna check back later today on the Coke ice block. So see you then. Bye. Hi guys, so my glow pop stayed in overnight. So this is just a display. And here is the Coca-Cola glow pop. Doesn't go up. So that's like the Coke. I'm gonna. Oh, that was easy.
So it worked well?
Yeah. Tastes exactly like one of the frozen Cokes at Macca's.
So what do you think of glow pops?
They're cool. I got this from my friend for my birthday.
What's your favourite thing about them?
lighter.
You just want to eat it now, don't you?
So I'm going to enjoy my glow pop and watch some YouTube videos, some of my YouTube videos. So I guess I'll see you soon. Bye.